Salam sisters, this is my weight loss journey. I started this way. I lost a lot of actually body weight so far. So if you want to join it, please join in the WhatsApp group. It's free coaching, and I'm really feeling totally different. If you want it, you can start anytime. This is the one. This fiber. It's high fiber. I had it constipated, then I just do this one. It gives me my sugar craving is gone, and then I'm just doing this right now. It's not sweet at all, but it's really helpful. You want to start early, it's good, but you should start lowering your inflammation first, and then you move on to cutting off the body fat. It's all about keeping your muscles, and then I don't eat breakfast. I skip it all the time, but I eat this like midday, and the one dish of protein, so many soups, cabbage soup and stuff. So yeah, keep going. Doo baahan tahay na soo raac, soo subscribe garee. TikTok-gii mahaan lasoo xiraa laga yaabaa, YouTube-kayga la soco. Thank you so much. Chia seed, cabbage soup, broccoli and beetroots, pineapple, antioxidants, one meal. Beautiful.